in today's video, I'm going to show you these three simple ways to sum data in Excel. I'm going to be showing you three methods: the beginner's method, the intermediate method, and the pro method. At the end of this video, you're going to see the one that is very easy for you to use. You can learn and implement in your next calculation. So let's start with the beginner's method. Beginner's method, they usually add like this. You put equal to plus first cell plus second cell plus the last, and hit equal to, and hit enter key. You get the total. Now when you have gotten, one thing about Excel is that it makes life easy when you know the shortcut. So instead of me to be doing the calculation for the remaining cells or the remaining items, all I need to do, I need to do autofill. What do I mean by autofill? If I put my cursor on this small circle here, on this small block here, it changes my cursor to plus. All I need to do is just to double click. Once I double click on it, it's this means the sum total of what the rest of items in the cell. Some persons will drag down, some persons will autofill just for you to double click. It gives you the summation, right? If you look at the formula here, it's reference the three cells, which is a C33 plus D33 plus E33, just like the first one we did. All right, so let's go to the second method, which is the intermediate method. Intermediate method simply uses the sum formula. I'm going to type my sum formula equal to, sorry, there's an error. Okay, so let's go to this and do the intermediate method using the sum formula. Equal to sum, you tap your the tab key and select the columns you want to sum, and close the brackets and press the enter key. It gives us 400, just like the former one. Then I'm going to still do my autofill by double clicking on that small square. If you look at this, it will see the formula in this formula bar, which is equal to sum L 33 to N33. So this is the using intermediate method, and we still got the same answer just like the other one. Then in the last one, which is the pro method, you're going to sum this using just a simple shortcut key. You're going to see as I do it. All I need to do is to select the entire cell and where I want the summation to be, just like this. And once I have selected the space I want, the columns, the cells I want to add and sum together, on my keyboard I will press Alt plus equal to, and I will get the summation automatically. There's no need to type in the formula, and there's no also need for autofill. I hope this is helpful. If this is helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and give me the next video you want me to make. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.